Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you delete your TikTok account. So let's just connect to TikTok app. Here you can see in the bottom right the profile option. Just click on it. Now you can see in the top right the three dash icon. Click on the three dash icon. Now just click on settings and privacy, the last one. Now in settings and privacy, click on the very first one, account. After clicking account, you can see the last option, deactivate or delete account. Click on it. You can see the second option, delete account permanently. Click on it. Now you have to give a reason why are you leaving from TikTok. Just give a reason to them and click on continue. You can see in the bottom here you need to click on it here and click on continue. Now just click on continue again. Now you need to give that 6-digit code. Give your code from your email or your phone number. Now just click on delete account. Click on delete, the red one. Now just go to profile. You can see your account is deleted. So guys, this is how can you delete your TikTok account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.